Right, good morning to all. See here today relations and functions chapter. Okay, today relations and functions. Right, see here today relations and functions chapter. Okay, see here in this questions. First question. See here page number 31 by 1. Page number 31 by 1. Okay, first question. See here in this problem. See here. If x by 3 plus 1, y minus 2 by 3 is equal to this one. Okay, right? So in this given data, these two order pairs are equal. So here find the values of x and y. Find the values of x and y. Find the values of x and y. Right. So here first here in this solution here, in this solution, in this given data. So here in this given data, x by 3. Okay, x by 3. Here plus 1 comma next remaining value y minus 2 by 3, y minus 2 by 3 is equal to here 5 by 3 comma here 1 by 3. Okay, 1 by 3, this is the given data. So here these two order pairs are equal. So here corresponding elements are equal. So in this corresponding elements here, so here x by 3, here x by 3, here plus 1 is equal to here first element is 5 by 3 x coordinates. Okay, right, next remaining value and say y coordinate here, in this y coordinate y minus 2 by 3, y minus 2 by 3 is equal to here in this y coordinate is 1 by 3. See here, so here 1 taking this side here, so that is x by 3 is equal to here 5 by 3, here 5 by 3, here 1 taking this side here minus 1. So here that is x by 3 is equal to here take LCM, in this LCM is 3. So that is 5, here minus 3 into 1 is 3. Okay, both sides 3 get cancelled here. X is equal to here 5 minus 3, that is 2, x value is 2. Okay, next remaining value here in this y value. So that is y is equal to take in this side here. So that is 1 by 3, here minus plus, okay, 2 by 3, 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. So that is y is equal to here take LCM here, that is 3. So 1 plus 2. Okay, 1 plus 3 is 2. Okay, 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 get cancelled here. Here y is equal to 1. So here x value to y value is 1. Okay, right? Write this question. One time write this question. Okay, right? Next problem. See here in this next question. See here in this problem. So here page number 33 by 7. Okay, page number 33 by 7. See here in this problem. So this is A, B, C, D. Verify that. Okay, verify that A cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection A cross C. So first we calculate A, B intersection C. Next cross product. Okay, first we calculate B intersection C. See here in the solution here. In this solution here, first question. Okay, in this first question, first we calculate B intersection C. Okay, B intersection C is equal to C intersection means common elements. Okay, common elements. So in this BC common elements, B here C, here BC common elements here. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, here 5, 6. No common elements. Okay, so this is empty. Okay, this is empty. No elements. Next here A cross. So here therefore here A cross B intersection C. Okay, B intersection C is equal to cross product here. So A elements 1, 2, here B intersection C is pi. Okay, pi, no elements here. So here cross product also no elements. Okay, no elements here, cross product. This is the empty set. Cross product is also empty. Next see here in this side here RS value A cross B. First we calculate A cross B. So here A cross B is equal to, okay, A cross B is equal to A cross B. Cross product here. So first element 1, 1, 1, 2, next 1, 3, next value 1, 4. See here the set of all order pairs 1, 1. First one is 1 comma 1, next 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4. So that is 1 comma 3, next value 1 comma 4. Okay, next take 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. Next value here 2, 1, next here 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. Okay, 2, 4. That is 2, 4. So here this is A cross B. Next we calculate here A cross C. A cross C. So that is A cross C is equal to here A cross C is equal to same. Okay, A next take C. A cross C 1, 5. Next remaining 1, 6. So that is 1 comma 5. next remaining value 1 comma 6, next take 2, here 2 5, next remaining 2 6, so that is 2 comma 5, next remaining value 2 comma 6, okay, right? See here in this RHS value intersection, here intersection, so take this total value, take this total value, so here therefore A cross B, okay, A cross B, okay, A cross B intersection, here A cross C, here A cross C is equal to, cross intersection means common elements here, see here in this common elements 1 1, no 1 1, here see here common elements here, no common elements here, okay, 1 5, no 1 5 here, so this is also empty, okay, no common elements. See here these two are equal here, this is pi, this is also pi, so first one here, okay, verify that, so here these two are equal here, so therefore see here from 1 and 2, so that is here 1, next time this is equation number here 2, right? See here therefore from 1 and 2, see here from 1 and 2, 1 and 2, okay, from 1 and 2, see here first here in this value, here A cross B intersection C, A cross B intersection C is equal to, so in this value A cross B, see here A cross B, okay, intersection here A cross C, okay, A cross C, these two are equal here, okay, first one finish, okay. Next one, second one, see A cross C is a subset of B cross D, so first we calculate A cross C, see here A cross C is equal to second one, see here in the second one, so first we calculate A cross C, see here A cross C, A cross C is equal to, here cross product here, okay, AC cross product, here 1 5, 1 6, next remaining 2 5, next remaining value 2 6, see here 1 comma 5, next remaining value 1 comma 6, next remaining value 2 comma 5, here 2 comma 6, okay, 2 comma 6, this is A cross B. Next here B cross D, see here B cross D is equal to, here that is B cross D is equal to, see here BD cross product, B, here D cross product, see here 1 5, 1 6, next 1 7, 1 8, okay, so right here 1 5, next remaining 1 6, here 1 7, next remaining value 1 8, okay, right, next remaining 2, okay, 2 5, 2 6, 2 7, 2 8, next remaining here 2 5, okay, right, next remaining value here 2 6, here 2 7, next remaining value 2 8, okay, right, next take here 3 5, 3 6, 3 7, 3 8, see here 3 6, 3 5, here 3 5, 3 6, okay, 3 6, here 3 7, okay, 3 7, next remaining value 3 8, right, next take here 4 5, 4 6, 4 7, 4 8, see here 4 5, next remaining value 4 5, 4 6, here 4 7, next remaining value here 4 8, okay, this is here B cross D, right, see here A cross C is a subset of B cross D, subset means, see here these elements 1 5, 1 5 belongs to this one, next 1 6, 1 6 also, 2 5, next 2 5, 2 5 belongs to this one, next 2 6, 2 6 also, okay, so here in this all elements belongs to in this set, so here therefore here A cross C, okay, A cross C is subset of, A cross C is subset of B cross, here B cross D, okay, B cross D, so this is the subset symbol, okay, so here A cross is subset of B cross D, A cross is a subset of B cross D, satisfied this one also, okay. Write this question, practice one time. Alright, next problem, see here in this next question, right, see here in this next problem, so here page number 35 by 1, in this model 1 question coming 3 marks question, okay, 3 marks question, important this model also, alright, see here, let A is equal to 1 2 3 4 and so on 14, define a relation R from A to A, see here define a relation, okay, R from A to A, define a relation from, see here R from A, okay, R from A to A, okay, R from A to A, here R is equal to this set, where x comma belongs to A, write domain its, okay, write domain its, okay, write domain its, okay, write down its domain, codomain, next remaining range, okay, 3 marks, see domain 1 mark, next codomain 1 mark, range 1 mark, okay, 3 marks question, right, so here first here, right here in this given data, so here in this given data, right, see here in this given data, F is mapping from here A to A, okay, given data is A to A, okay, A to A to A, okay, A to A, A to A. Right, next one R value, here R is equal to, here set of, here this value is x comma y, okay, x comma y, here such that 3x minus y is equal to 0, okay, 3x minus y is equal to 0. Right, next one value x comma y belongs to A, okay, x comma y belongs to A, this is the given data, okay. Right, first right here in this given relation here, so here 3x minus y is equal to 0, see here 3x minus y, see here 3x minus y, okay, 3x minus y is equal to 0. So y taking this side here, that is y is equal to 3x, okay, y is equal to 3x, okay, right, y is equal to 3x, see here y is equal to 3x, see here y is equal to 3x, okay, right, y is equal to 3x, y value, alright, see here. Next, so therefore R is equal to, see here R is equal to, and therefore in this relation R is equal to, right, see here, here x values are 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on to 14, replace x by 1 here, replace x by 1, so that is x is equal to 1, okay, x is equal to 1, y value, here y is equal to 3x, okay, 3x, x value 1 here, so y is equal to 3 into 1, 3 into 1 is 3, okay, 3 into 1 is 3, next replace x by, here x value by next element 2, replace 2 here 2, x is equal to, next y value, so y is equal to 3x, 3 into 2, 3 into 2, 6, right, next step x value 3, okay, x value is 3, here y is equal to 3 into 3, 3 into 3 is equal to 9, next step value x is equal to 4, alright, next step is here x is equal to 4, replace x by 4 here, 4 into 3, y value is 12, okay, next step replace x by 5 here, y value 3 into 5, 15, 15 does not belongs to A, okay, 15 does not belongs to A, okay, so don't write here, only these elements, so this is the relation R, okay, relation R. So here write down its domain, domain is the set of all first elements of the order pairs, the set of all first elements of the order pairs, okay, order pairs in the relation from A to B, okay, is called domain. See the set of all first order pairs, first elements here. So here domain of R is equal to, here domain of f of x, okay, domain of R, here domain of R is equal to domain, okay, domain of R is equal, domain of R is equal, domain is the set of all first elements of the order pair, first elements 1, 2, next many value here 3, 4, this is the domain, okay, right, domain. Next meaning range, see here in this range is, so here in this range, see here in this range, next meaning domain, next meaning codomain, here codomain of R is equal, codomain, codomain is equal to, codomain means the whole set of B, the whole set of B, see here A to A here, B value also A here, this is the codomain, this is domain, this is codomain, the set of whole set, okay, whole set is called codomain. See this is domain, this is codomain, this is the codomain, so codomain is A, okay, codomain is equal to A, okay, codomain is A set here, this is the codomain, okay. Next one range, see here range is equal to, here range is equal to, right, see here in this range, here range of R, here range of R is equal to, range means the set of all second elements of the order pairs in the relation from A to A, okay, second elements 3, 6, 9, 12, okay, this is the range is equal to, here 3, 6, next one value 9, here 12, 3, 6, 9, 12, this is the range, okay. See here first write here domain 1 mark, okay, here write here domain given 1 mark, next write here codomain here given 1 mark, next write here in this range here given 1 mark, okay, 3 steps 3 marks, okay. First here, see here first domain means the set of all first elements of the order pairs in the relation from A to A, okay, first elements. Next minute codomain is the whole set in the relation R from A to B, so this is the B, okay, the whole set B is called the codomain, okay, codomain. So here in this B is also A, so here in this codomain is A. Next range is equal to the set of all second elements in the order pairs, okay, the set of all second elements of the order pairs in the relation, okay, from A to B is called range. So range is the set of all second elements, okay, Write this question, practice one time. Alright, next problem. See here in this next question. Right, see here in this next question here. Right, see here in this data, say page number 35 by 36 by year 5. Okay, this question. See here in this problem. So here, right, see here in this data, here in this problem. So A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay, let R be the relation on A defined by R is equal to, okay, in this relation R is equal to A comma B. A comma B belongs to A. Next here in this data, B is exactly divisible by A. B is exactly divisible by A. B is exactly divisible by A. Write R in roster form. Next, find the domain of R. Next, find the range of R. Okay. Alright, first write here given relation. Okay. See here in this data, here in this solution here. In this solution here, see here in this data, R is equal to. So in this given relation, R is equal to. In this given relation, R is equal to. Okay. In this R is equal to. So in this given data is B is exactly divisible by A. Okay. B is exactly divisible by A. See here A comma B here. B is exactly divisible by A. Okay. So here see, take here these elements here 1. See here in this 1 divides 1. Okay, 1 divides 1 exactly. Next money value 1 divides 2 also. 2 divides 1. Okay, next money here 1 divides 3. 3 divides 1. Okay, so 1 divides 3. Next money value 1 divides 4. See 1 is exactly divisible by 4. Okay, 4 is exactly divisible by 1. Condition here. See here B is exactly divisible by A. See here 1 divides 1. 2 here 2 is exactly divisible by 1. 3 is exactly divisible by 1. 4 is exactly divisible by 1. Okay, right? Next here 2, here take 2. Here take 2. Here that is 2 divides 2. Okay, 2 also divides 2. Okay. Next meaning 2 divides 2. Next 2 divides 4 also. See here 2 divides 2. Here 2 divides 4. See here 4 exactly divisible by 2. Next meaning here 2 divides 6 also. So that is here 2 divides 6. Okay. Right, next is here take 3. So that is 3 divides 3. Okay, 3 divides 3. Okay, 3 exactly divisible by 3. Next 3 exactly divisible by 6 also. So that is 3 comma 6. Next 4. Take 4 here. So that is 4 divides 4. Here 4 divides 4. Next 4 divides not 6. Okay, next 6. So 6 is also divisible by 6. 6 is also divisible by 6. Okay, 6 is exactly divisible by 6. So this is the R. So this is in roster form. Okay, this is in roster form. Okay, this is the roster form. Here given 1 mark. To write here in this R value, given 1 mark. Next, see here domain of R. See in the second one here in this domain. Okay, domain of R is equal to here domain. Here domain of R is equal to here domain of R. Domain means the set of all first elements of the order pairs in the relation. See here first elements 1, next 2. Next one 3, next one value 4, 6. Okay, so that is here 1, 2, 3, here 4, 6. Okay, domain is the set of all first elements of the order pairs in the relation. So here first elements is the domain. Next one value range. See here that is in this third one. Okay, in this here third one is range. Range of R is equal to here range of R. Here range of R is equal to range means the set of all second elements of the order pairs in the relation. Say second elements here 1, 2, 3, 4, next one is 6. Okay, so that is same. So that is 1, 2, here 3, 4, here 6. Okay, this is the range. Okay, range. Domain means the set of all first elements of the order pairs. Range is the set of all second elements of the order pairs. Second elements. Okay, so here 3 marks. Okay, this is the roster form. 1 mark, 1 mark, 1 mark. Okay, write this question, practice one time. Right, see next problem. See this next question. Right, see here in this problem, here 5 marks question. Okay, 5 marks question. See here in this date define. See here in this page number 41 by 5. 5 marks question. One question compulsory. Okay, modulus function and signum function. So first here define modulus function. Okay, define modulus function. Okay, define modulus function. First write definition. Next and its draw graph. Okay, and its draw graph also. Okay. Next write domain. Okay, write domain and range also. Write domain and range. Okay, 5 marks question this one. Okay. Right. See here first here modulus function. So in the solution here. Okay, in this first one. So in this modulus function. Okay. See write definition here. The function f is mapping from. Here the function f is mapping from. The function f is mapping from R to R. The function f is mapping from R to R. Here defined by f of x is equal to here f of x is equal to here mod of x. F of x is equal to mod x. Okay. For every x belongs to R. So here for every x belongs to R. For every x belongs to R is called a modulus function. Okay, is called a modulus function. Is called a modulus function. Okay, is called a modulus function. Okay, here is called a modulus function. So the function f is mapping from R to R, defined by f of x is equal to mod x. For every x belongs to R is called a modulus function. Okay, this is the definition. Right definition, 2 marks coming. Okay. Next is here in this function here. So here that is here f of x is equal to mod x. Okay, mod x is equal to, see here in this data, mod x is equal to x. So if condition here, if x is greater than or equal to 0 or greater than 0. Next mod x is equal to minus x. So here if x is less than 0, here mod x value is minus x. Okay. See here in this diagram here. So here in this diagram. Right, see here in this diagram. Right, see here in this diagram here. So this is the origin is O. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Okay, something. So that is 1, 2, 3, here 4, 5. Next one value minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. Okay, so here in this upper side here 1, 2, next one 3, 4, 5. Okay, this one is here minus 1, here minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. So this is x-axis, here this is y-axis. So take this positive values, x is greater than or equal to 0, mod x value is x. Okay, this is y. Okay, see here. So here take 1 here, this also 1. Okay, next take 2, y also 2. Okay, and so on. This graph is this one. Okay. Next in this side negative values, x less than 0, here mod x value is minus x, negative values. Okay, and take here minus 1 coming. Okay, so in this values are, so in this side, this is the graph. Okay, graph of the signum function. Okay, 1 mark. Here 2 marks, 1 mark, 3. Next time 1 mark, domain, range. So domain of here, see here. Therefore domain. Okay, domain of R. Okay, domain of f of x. Domain of f of x is equal in this domain is R. So this is the domain. Okay, domain is R. Okay, real number set. Domain is R. Next time range. Range is equal to here only positive numbers coming. Positive. Here 0 to infinity. This side also 0 to infinity. Y values. Okay, 0 to infinity. So here range of R is range of f of x. Here range of f of x is equal to closed interval 0 comma infinity open. Okay, here this is the range value 0 to infinity, only positive values coming. Okay, 0 to infinity. Okay, this is 5 marks question. Okay, 1 question compulsory in final exam. Okay, write this question, 1 time also practice. Right, see here in this next problem, see here in this next question. See here in this next question, see here page number 41 by 4. Okay, page number 41 by 4. Here define signum function. Okay, define signum function. See here define signum function. Okay, define signum function. Right, see here define signum function. So define signum function. Okay, definition. Look at it. Next time when draw its graph. Next time write domain. Okay, write domain. Next time here and range also, and range same. Okay, right, first right here in the signum function definition. Okay, signum function definition. See here in this function definition here. So in the solution here, so the function f is mapping from R to R. The function f is mapping from R to R. The function f is mapping from R to R is defined by the function f is mapping from R to R is defined by, here f of x is equal to, okay, f of x, here f of x is equal to, here set of 1, okay, set of 1 here. So here if here x is greater than 0, next one 0. So if x is equal to 0, next one value minus 1. So if x is here less than 0, okay, is called a signum function. Okay, is called a signum function. Is called a signum. Is called a signum function. Okay, is called a signum function. Is called a signum function. See here, the function f is mapping from R to R defined by f of x is equal to 1 if x greater than 0. Here 0 if x is equal to 0. Here minus 1 if x is less than 1 is called a signum function. Okay, this is the definition. Right definition here 2 marks. Okay, right? Alright, next here see here in this diagram. So here in this diagram here, see here in this diagram, so this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Okay, right, see here, so this is the origin is O. Okay, this is the origin is O, this is the point is O. Okay, right? See here, first here in this point is here 1, here this value is, here in this value is minus 1. Okay, right? See here in this diagram here, so here in this diagram, right, see here in this diagram here, so x greater than 0, x greater than 0, take any positive values, y value coming only 1 here. Okay, y value coming only 1. So here y value this is 1 means this one. Okay, 1 means this one. So in this graph is take here in this side any one. Okay, in this side any value. Okay, so this is y is equal to 1 coming. Okay, take any positive value in the side. Okay, y value 1 coming. Next time 0, take 0, x value 0, y value also 0. So y value 0 means here this is x0, y0, this point. Okay, and next x less than 0, here take here in this side here. Okay, in this side here, so this is here 1, okay, 2, 3, here 4 and so on. In this side is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, here minus 4 and so on. Okay, right? So take x value less than 0, this value coming minus 1 only. Minus 1 means this one. Okay, in this side. Okay, in this side here. Okay, in this side. Okay, in this side. See here in this side. So in this value is y is equal to here minus 1. Okay, in this side. This is point minus 1. Okay, right? This is a graph of the signum function. Okay, right. Next here in this data, see here in this data. Right, see here first, next domain and range. Okay, domain is R. See here domain is R. Here R is the domain. Okay, so here therefore domain of f of x. Here domain. Here domain of f of x. Here domain of f of x is equal. Domain of f of x is equal to R is the domain. Okay, right? Next range. So in this range, see here in this range is. So here in this range of f of x. So here range of f of x is equal to. Here range of f of x. Here range of f of x is equal to range value, these values here 1, 0, minus 1. Okay, so in this range is minus 1 comma 0 comma 1. This is the range. Okay, range of the signum function. See write here definition 2 marks. Here graph 1 mark. Here domain 1 mark. Range is 1 mark. Okay, 5 steps 5 marks. Okay, right. Write this question. Okay, one time practice this question. So here in the chapter, in this problem is important. Okay, free final 1. Okay, first free final, these are important. Okay, only free final paper coming in these questions. Okay, one time you practice each question minimum 4-5 times. Okay, each question minimum 4-5 times. Okay, these are all important problems. Okay, free final 1. Next in free time, practice remaining problems in question bank. Okay, open the notebooks. Okay, practice remaining problems also. Okay, only free final, these are important. Okay, final exam also maximum coming in this models coming. Okay, final. So each question minimum 3-4 times practice. Okay, today class finish. Okay, next continuation next class. Okay, daily practice formulas, trigonometry formulas, daily differentiation, trigonometry formulas, the 2 chapters. Okay, today class finished.